Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can remove unnecessary fields for billing and shipping details on WooCommerce checkout. Basically, we will remove these fields from billing and shipping details. Something like this. Let's get started. For more WordPress content, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Now for this video, we have this demo website where we have randomly added a product. Let me add it to the cart. View cart. And proceeds to checkout. So here, these are the billing details and these are the default fields. We will learn how you can remove these fields. Additionally, here is the shipping address. And if I click here, you will see the details. We will also remove some fields from this shipping address. Now, in order to do that, let me quickly log in to the site's dashboard, wp-admin, and enter the details. So we are in the WordPress dashboard. Now, in order to remove the fields from billing and shipping details, go to Appearance and Theme Editor. Go to Theme Functions. Scroll down. And here we will add some codes. So here is the code, which will be provided. So this code will remove all the fields from the billing and shipping addresses. Let me copy the code and paste it here. Update file. So it has been updated. If I refresh this, all the billing fields and shipping fields have been removed, as you can see. So you will need to customize this code. Anything fields mentioned here will be deleted from the addresses in the front end. For instance, I would like to have the first and last name, so we'll delete here. If I remove these, it will display on the front end. Let me remove the phone number, email, and one address. So everything here will be hidden. Anyway, do the same for the shipping address. And update the file. Let me refresh the page. As you can see, this page is now customized. And the same with the shipping address. And for those who do not want the shipping address, like for digital products, you can simply use the bottom code. Let me copy this. Let me delete this code, as we will remove all the shipping address details. Add the code at the bottom. So this will remove all the shipping addresses. Let me refresh this page. So you can see the shipping address is gone. So this is how you can remove fields from the billing and shipping details using this simple code. Thank you very much.